NABSHOW in Las Vegas. Hi, I'm Ashley Blankenship with InBroadcast. We're here at the 2016 NABSHOW. Joining me is Bryce Button from AJA. Thanks for being here, Bryce.
Pleasure, Ashley. Great to be here.
Could you tell us a little bit about AJA?
Certainly. AJA has been around for almost 25 years now. We basically started out with broadcast equipment. We moved into editing equipment. We moved into cameras. We moved into recorders. We have routers. We have frame synchronizers. We're doing a lot of Pro AV stuff these days as well.
And what's new for you at the show?
Some big initiatives. The biggest one by far is Kona IP. Okay. So we're in that great transition right now of moving away from standard connectivity to IP-based protocols. And so Kona IP is our way of assisting people through that transition by giving them a card that they're already used to from their editing systems and graphics systems, but it simply has 2 giggy Ethernet connections, of course, and then on the driver front, it works much the same way that they're used to with their Avid software or Adobe software today.
Right. And are there any other things over there that are being highlighted that people are excited to see over there?
Certainly. This is the second day of the show, so on the first day you get a real sense of how people are reacting. Hilo. So Hilo is a standalone streaming and recording device. It records via SDI or HDMI in. You can use either. And it's recording H.264 files. And what's great about that is it's got an SD port, it's got a USB port, you can put a thumb drive in there if you want, but it also has streaming simultaneously. Okay. And you can actually do the two at 2 different bandwidth settings if you wanted to. So if you want a really good looking image, you might be doing 20 megabits per second, or you could go to streaming, especially when you've got a weak internet connection at trade shows like these. You might dial that down to 2, 3, whatever you need to. And that guy's been a real big hit on the stand. Also for those who travel a lot, we have 2 new products called UTAP, one that's SDI, one that's HDMI. Actually great for people that might be in the field running around with their cameras. They want to capture their footage quickly. It's bus powered, so you just plug it into your computer and connect up your camera. And that can be utilized with streaming software. It works very well with Skype, for instance, and of course Skype is a big initiative these days.
Yes.
So it's been very exciting. We have almost 23 announcements, so
wow.
There's been a lot of stuff.
All of these things going on. What can we expect from the future?
Well, you're going to see a lot of further developments with Kona IP. We've built this as an extensible card because as time moves along, there's a roadmap. And we belong to the Ames Alliance as well as a number of others. But there's a set roadmap to move people gently and intelligently through the transition to IP. Because IP has been there for a while in certain sectors of the industry, but it's going to reach right across the industry.
Right.
And the key thing is to make sure that we're part of the vendor process that makes that smooth for everyone. So you'll see a number of protocols that will get added. You'll see various codecs that will get offered. The great thing is you just buy the card once, and then some of these things, of course, will be free firmware updates. Other things may involve a cost if it's a particular codec that's got a licensing fee attached. But the card's extensible, and that's the key thing.
So, Bryce, if people want to know more about AJA, where can they go?
It's really simple, aja.com. We've got links to all the new products, and our website has got a lot of tools and offer, brochures, all the types of things you're going to need to learn a bit more about the product. So we encourage you to visit.
Easy enough. Check it out.